Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will be learning how to add Apple Cash to iMessage in 2025. Let's dive right in. First, launch and open the Messenger app on your iPhone. Next, tap the Compose button to start a new message or open an existing conversation. Then tap the plus icon next to the text input field. From there, select Apple Cash from the list of options. Enter the amount you want to send, and if you want, add a comment so it appears in your latest transactions for both you and the receiver. Once you're ready, tap the send button to review your payment. Finally, double click the side button to confirm the payment. You can authenticate using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. And that is it. You're all set to send Apple Cash via iMessage. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos like this one.